In this video, you'll learn how to install Claude Code globally on a Windows system. By following these steps, you will successfully set up the necessary environment to use Claude Code from any command line interface on your computer. Begin by navigating to the official node.js website. Open your preferred web browser and go to nodejs.org. Once the page loads, locate the download options. You will want to download the LTS version, which is recommended for most users. Ensure that you select version 20 or higher to avoid compatibility issues. After the download completes, double-click the installer file to initiate the installation process. During the installation, pay special attention to the setup options. Make sure to check the box labeled Add Node.j 7path. This step is crucial as it allows you to run Node.js commands from any command prompt or terminal window. Once the installation is complete, it is essential to verify that Node.js and npm have been installed correctly. Open Windows Terminal, which can be found by searching in the Start menu. In the terminal, type node-v and press Enter. This command will display the installed node.js version. Next, type npm-v and press Enter to verify that npm, the node package manager, is also installed. If both commands return version numbers, the installation was successful. Next, you need to open Windows Terminal as an administrator to avoid any permission issues during the global installation. Right-click the Windows Terminal icon and select Run as Administrator. This step ensures that you have the necessary permissions when installing packages globally. Now, you are ready to install Claude Code globally. In the elevated terminal, type the command install-g Claude Code cob unsafe perm = true and press Enter. The G flag indicates that you want to install the package globally, making it accessible from anywhere on your system. The unsafe perm = true flag prevents permission errors on Windows, allowing the installation to proceed smoothly without interruptions. Wait for the installation process to finish, which may take a few moments depending on your internet speed and system performance. Once the installation is complete, you should verify that Claude Code has been installed correctly. In the terminal, type Claude-version and press Enter. If installed successfully, the terminal will display the version of the Claude CLI. To test the functionality, you can run a sample command by typing Claude write a Python function to reverse a string and pressing Enter. This command will prompt Claude Code to generate the specified function. The final step involves setting your API key as an environment variable. In the terminal, type setxclaod _API_key, your _API_key here with your actual API key. This step ensures that Claude Code can access the necessary permissions to function correctly. After entering the command close and reopen the terminal to apply the changes. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.